In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fill a shape with colour here in Canva. Now we can't technically fill a shape, but what we can do is use one of the shapes here in Canva. We can simply come over to Elements over here on the left hand side. We can come down to Shapes, then we can choose any shape that we want. But then all we have to do is change the colour. We can do that by clicking onto the image or onto the shape, coming up to the colour icon and then choosing whichever colour that we want. We can also add the hex code of a colour just here. But once we have the colour that we want, we can then add a border. So if we click on this again, come up to the 3 lines where it says stroke style, then we can choose between a solid border or a few different dashed. Let's go with the solid. We can increase this border weight as well, and then we can change the colour on this to anything we want as well, just like that. And now we have technically filled a shape with colour here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this playlist packed of Canva tutorials.